got Entrepreneur P.JIZZLE, and today having a class on CRICUT, heat transfer vinyl. So what exactly is heat transfer vinyl? HTV. Show you. This shirt is made with heat transfer vinyl. I made this shirt about 2 years ago. It's still good. It's not coming off. It's not peeling. It's not peeling. It's not coming up. I made this about 2 years ago. Got that on there. On the back. Pro up. Little logo flip. You know what kind of logo flip that is. So this is heat transfer vinyl. It's vinyl, and the only way that it's going to stick onto this shirt is if I heat it with my heat press, or I can also use an iron. If I use the iron, I want to make sure that I have it hot enough, and I want to be able to apply some type of pressure, whether it's just me leaning on the iron, putting some type of weight, because that's what makes it stick, the heat and the pressure. Because you can heat it up and it's not enough pressure and it won't do nothing but come off when you wash it, or you wouldn't want that to happen, whether it's for you or if it's for someone else. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you how I take heat transfer vinyl and cut it so it can be placed on the shirt. I'm gonna show you guys a sheet of heat transfer vinyl. This is a little sheet of heat transfer vinyl. This is a roll of heat transfer vinyl. So whether you buy it in a sheet or the roll, is go get the job done. So it starts with being like this. Then once you place it on a mat, I will place it on the mat. And load it into my machine. I will load it into my machine. My machine is a vinyl cutter. It's a vinyl cutter. It cuts heat transfer vinyl. It cuts adhesive vinyl, and it also cuts other things. But I really don't go into that because I only really do t-shirts, sometimes vinyl stickers. So it really just depends. This is a CRICUT. This is a CRICUT Explorer 1. It gets the job done. That's why I have it. But I will load this in there. Let me come in for y'all so you can see. Oh man. So see what will happen is this right here, it's a blade in there. I'm gonna take this off. Take the blade. Show y'all this blade. See that blade? That's what cuts the vinyl. blade. That's what cuts the vinyl. You know, once you make your design and send it over to the vinyl cutter. Once you send your design to the vinyl cutter, it will cut it out. So it will go from here. Then you will weed the design. That's pulling all the extra. That's pulling all the pieces of the design that you don't want in it. Leaving just what you are going to press on the shirt or whatever item you're pressing it on. Or if you're making a decal sticker, whatever you're trying to make for the decal. So everything that's left is what you're using. So you only pull up what you're not going to use. This is the mat. This is the cutting mat. It's kind of sticky. This one's not sticky right now because I use it so much. So what I'm going to do is clean it off. And it's going to get sticky again. Usually when they're brand new, they're very sticky. It'll be hard to pull this up. But it's going to come up, but it'll be real hard. It'll be kind of hard. So that's what this is. So using heat transfer vinyl, a vinyl cutter. This is my CRICUT. And my heat press or iron. I can print on the shirt. And it's good quality. It's not just going to wash out or it's not going to be like dye come off and end up inside of the other items you wash it with. It's not like that. So this is just one way to print on the shirt.